Most people think a tire is just black, round, and rubber. They're wrong. It's the only 4 square inches of contact between you and the pavement. If that compound fails, your ABS and traction control are useless. We're starting with a brand that is currently embarrassing the Europeans for half the price. Number 11, Falcon. You've been told you need to spend $400 a tire for luxury performance. Falcon proved that's a lie. Created by Sumitomo to be the Lexus of tires, they didn't just match the quality, they broke the scale. While big names use standard synthetic blends, Falcon uses 4D nano design to link silica at a molecular level. Microhook? But here's the real reason they're on this list. Ever heard of a highway blowout caused by heat soak? Falcon's heat diffuser technology acts like a radiator for your wheel, pulling heat away from the core. It's why they're now standard on the Jeep Gladiator. High performance, zero meltdown, and way less cash than the naughty list brands coming up. Number 10, Cooper. What if your tire could literally talk to you? Most drivers realize their alignment is off only after they've ruined a $200 tire. Cooper solved this with the Wear Square. It's a visual gauge molded into the tread that changes shape as it wears. If it wears unevenly, your suspension is screaming for help. Microhook? But don't let the budget label fool you. Goodyear actually bought this company in 2021 just to steal their durability secrets. We're seeing Coopers hit 70,000 miles with sidewalls that look brand new. If you drive a truck or SUV and hate wasting money, this is your gold standard. Number 9, Yokohama. This sounds like a total gimmick. Orange oil. But in 2025, J.D. Power ranked Yokohama second in the world for a reason. Most rubber gets brittle and hard when it freezes. Yokohama's patented citrus oil keeps the molecular bond fluid and tacky even in a blizzard. Microhook? It's the secret sauce of the track. They took this tech from Le Mans and put it into their Advan street tires. You get the grip of a racing slick with the longevity of a family sedan. It's the ultimate underdog brand that's currently outperforming Pirelli in independent testing. Number 8, BFG Goodrich. The sidewall is the Achilles heel of every tire. It's the thinnest, most vulnerable point, unless you're running BFG. Microhook? They borrowed tech from the Baja 1000 desert race. Their KO2 line features bruise-resistant rubber that's literally twice as thick as a standard tire. If you hit a curb or a jagged rock, most tires unzip. BFG just bounces off. Plus, they're self-cleaning. The tread blocks actually spit out rocks so they don't become projectiles on the highway. Number 7, Hankook. If you drive an EV, your tires are dying 30% faster because of the weight. Hankook just became the world's king of EV rubber. In the 2026 Consumer Reports test, they didn't just win, they crushed Bridgestone and Michelin in rolling resistance. Microhook? Why are they 60% cheaper? Because they spent their budget on R&D in 160 countries rather than Super Bowl ads. They are currently the quietest tires on the market. If you hate road hum, you need the Ventus line. Number 6, Pirelli. Pirelli is the toxic relationship of the tire world. The performance is intoxicating, but the maintenance will break your heart. They use functionalized polymers that actually change stiffness based on how hard you turn. Microhook? The catch is the P0 curse. You'll grip the road like a slot car, but don't expect them to last past 30,000 miles. These are for the drivers who value the experience over the expense. Number 5, Bridgestone. Bridgestone is the most expensive brand on this list for a reason, the 80,000-mile promise. While you're buying your second set of Pirellis, a Bridgestone user is still on their first. Microhook. It's the drive guard miracle. Most run flats feel like you're driving on wooden wagon wheels. Bridgestone's nanotech cooling fins allow you to drive with zero air pressure without the spine-shattering ride. It's the ultimate peace of mind tire. Number 4, Rothestein. You probably can't pronounce it, but high-end mechanics have been hoarding this Dutch brand for years. Designed by Giugiaro, the same guy who designed Maseratis, these are the most beautiful tires ever made. Microhook? They are the 2026 Value King. Consumer Reports just ranked them the 3rd best brand in existence, beating almost everyone on this list for a fraction of the price. If you want luxury performance without the Michelin tax, this is the secret door. Number 3, Continental.
They're the relentless German engineer who refuses to sleep. Their Conti-Seal technology can swallow a 5mm nail and seal itself instantly while you're driving. Microhook, look for the yellow chili logo. It's a specialized compound that provides maximum grip without sacrificing mileage. They're currently the OE supplier for almost every major European car maker. If it's good enough for a 2026 Mercedes, it's good enough for your driveway. Number 2. Goodyear. Goodyear doesn't just make tires, they make armor. They're the only brand using DuPont Kevlar to reinforce their sidewalls. That's 35% more puncture resistance than the industry average. Microhook, they bowled over the track and the sky. From NASCAR to the Wingfoot blimp, their data pool is massive. They're currently ranked number 1 in J.D. Power's luxury segment. They're the American powerhouse that simply doesn't have a weak model in their lineup. Number 1. Michelin. There's Michelin, and then there's everyone else. Most tires get dangerous as they wear down. Michelin's EverGrip technology actually makes the grooves wider as the tire wears out to keep water flowing. Microhook, the 7-year test. I have seen 7-year-old Michelins with 0 dry rot, while 2-year-old budget tires are cracking at the seams. They're expensive up front, but they're the cheapest tires per mile you'll ever own. I trust them with my life, literally. Number 3, to avoid Fortune. Now for the Maypops. Fortune tires are black and round, and that's where the quality ends. They're notorious for using high plastic compounds that have 0 wet grip. Microhook, the fake warranty. They claim 45,000 miles, but users report blowouts within the first year, only to have their claims denied. Buying these is like playing Russian roulette with your axle. Number 2 to avoid, Accelera. $60 for a tire sounds like a steal until you realize you're the one being robbed. These Indonesian tires are famous for hydroplane hunting. Even at 30 miles per hour, these tires lose contact with the road in light rain. Microhook, the half-life problem. You'll be lucky to get 15,000 miles out of these. You'll end up buying 3 sets of Accelera for every 1 set of Falcon. Number 1 to avoid, Firestone. This is the most controversial avoid on the list. While they have a huge heritage, their recent history is a minefield of recalls and tread separation. Microhook, the Chinese manufacturing gamble. Since Bridgestone shifted some Firestone production to unverified Chinese plants, the quality consistency has plummeted. At this price point, you're better off with a Cooper or a BFG. Don't pay premium prices for a gamble tire.